Ayan guys, gabi na dito ngayon. Nagpagabi talaga ako sa luto. So ngayon, magmo-mall hopping tayo. Pupunta naman tayo sa Orion Mall. So nakasakay ako. Sumakay ako sa parang rickshaw. Rickshaw dito. So dito na ako sa Orion Mall. So papasok ako dito. So bawal ulit ang video camera. So bye-bye. So bumili ako ng 600 lang. Ano siya guys? Yung ano siya, first class movie daw. For parang director's club ng SM. Tapos pumunta tayo. Tapos ano lang siya, parang 420 rupees lang. Ay, 600 rupees. So parang nasa around 420 pesos. So papakita ko sa inyo yung video kung ano itsura sa loob. Wow, ang ganda ng movie. Nice. Ganda. 420 pesos lang siya. Nice. Dito daw ako. Nice. Ito ba yung A3? Nice.
ಚಲಾಯಿಸುವಾಗ ISI ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುವ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ, ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸಿ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಪ್ಪು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಗೌರವ. First exit.
Grabe, 420 lang. Makakanood ka na ng ganito. Yung movie na naka-recline.
Child booster seat cushions are available at this cinema. Please contact the duty manager.
Grabe guys, nabutan na ako ng sarado ng mall. Kasi sarado na talaga siya. Grabe. This very big mall. I'm planning to go there earlier, but I'm
very difficult. Bangalore traffic is very difficult.
Yeah, but the traffic is not that.
The night time there is no traffic.
Yeah,
Morning, early morning.
Morning.
Or peak hour.
I think it's common. Yeah.
So 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Evening 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
It's like rush hour.
Very, very traffic is very hard.
I think it's like it's common because it's rush hour,
Yes.
right? Maybe tomorrow, maybe later, no traffic,
No
because
traffic. Ah,
no
there
no
is no
no work,
traffic. Hmm.
no work, it's holiday. Oh, Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, sir. Wish you the same.
Our Republic Day, our Independence Day in our country is on the June 12. It's on June 12
Okay.
in our country.
Uh-huh.
This is on January 26.
January 26, yes.
Okay, okay.
January 26, I am not in celebration Republic Day.
Oh. So you'll be working or you'll
No,
be...
no, 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 no. That January 26, my grandfather is dead.
the anniversary. Sorry?
My grandfather is dead.
Death?
Yes, 2 year back.
I'm sorry, sorry. So it's that
January
anniversary.
26.
It's that anniversary. Okay. It's like anniversary. It's like a death.
My today,
Death.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. I see, I
2
see.
year back, January 26, my grandfather is gone. That's why I have not celebration in January 26.
Okay, okay, okay. In our country, it's called death anniversary.
Yeah.
It's like my father died in April 3, 2020. But not COVID, not COVID. So so on April 3, we will treat that as a death anniversary.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't celebrate, but we will gather to remember him.
Remember.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's like right. That's a right word. That's a right
Yes.
word.
January 26,
Remembering of death. Yeah, yeah. That's a correct term. Correct term.
I know.
What is that? Is that a train?
Yeah, metro train, sir. This is metro
it's not-
connectivity in airport.
It's not yet operational. It's not. It's closed.
Just-
Still closed. It's still on construction. Construction.
1 minute. Yeah, tell me, sir.
It's still on construction.
Construction.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's
Yeah,
not. It's
just
not
in,
yet finished. It's not yet finished. Okay.
2 year. After 2 years,
2 years, it's
2 years,
finished.
3 years, and after 2 years and 3 years, it's finished.
Okay. Okay.
Directly airport.
Well, that's why. It's That's why That's why people will get Uber or bus
Yes.
from
yes.
airport to the city.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's we celebrate.
Yes.
Also
Christmas
New Year.
and January, December 31st, New Year.
Yeah, the New Year.
Yes.
New Year's Eve. New Year's
Yes.
Eve. Yeah. I think all of that will go
Yes.
straight to airport, right?
Yes. Signal is there. Board, the green color board is there. You want to see?
So.
Green color board.
Yeah.
That's right in without signal, without toll.
Okay.
6 or 7 kilometer extra
Yeah.
toll gate. 1 kilometer is there.
So I pay cash or
Cash.
cash is good?
No.
You
Scanner or
scan.
Okay.
Then add in the total.
No problem. Scanner is there.
Okay.